Hi there, I'm Christophe, application engineer at Materialise Belgium, and I'm here today at Infotron, our trusted platinum partner with more than 30 years of experience to go about the latest and greatest that Magics has to offer. Magics, as you all know, is the most powerful data preparation software on the market in the 3D printing industry, which can go all the way from fixing of the part to editing of the part to really advanced build preparation for all of your different machines that you have at your disposal. Starting with the fixing, the most important thing, automate your fixing process with one click of button, automatic fixing, and your part is completely watertight. Next up, we can do some editing. So with editing of the part, I mean standard editing practices like chamfer and fillets, but also more advanced like intricate lattice structures that we can add to the part in order to lightweighten them. If we look at the build preparation, let's first maybe start with the powder bed fusion machines, where nesting is of key importance. With our nester, you can 3D nest all parts together in the most densely way possible. So by increasing the nesting density, we'll make your process more profitable. But nesting in a dense way is not all of it. We will also look at the heat distribution throughout the build itself and optimize this throughout the build to get the best part quality possible. When we look at our metal applications, we really know that it's the most complex way of 3D printing, and that's why we developed our E-Stage for Metal Plus. E-Stage for Metal Plus will automate the supports for your metal applications completely, meaning your non-solid supports and your solid supports. For non-solid supports, we will create an open and very thin structure that allows you to remove powder easily, but also to post-process these supports very easily, so that it's very easy to break off. At the same time, we'll automatically place the solid supports, so you don't need to take care of it and you don't need to think about these yourselves. So based on a physics-based simulation, we will place these cone supports fully automatically without you needing to think about them. If you really want to make sure that your print will be printable, we still have our simulation module as well, where you can simulate the deformations, the stresses, and possible shrink lines that will be created on your part, so you can rest assured that your print will succeed. Lastly, we still have our layer analysis tool, which can help you inspecting your layer images from your machine fully automatically without you need to think about it. So by using artificial intelligence, we'll inspect these layer images fully automatically. We detect the different flaws and we will create a report for you so you can rest assured that all your printing flaws have been caught and you don't need to spend unnecessary money in post-processing and quality assurance afterwards. In case you want more information regarding all the products just mentioned, make sure to contact Infotron.